Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2003 to 2009 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Start by making room for your body mount. If you're keeping your existing body mount, remove the shown perforated plate. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then the opening on your rear frame section to create the contour of your frame. Then, mark 3/4 inch above the bottom of the frame. Cut on a line. Step 4. Tack weld the part onto the frame while using C-clamps as needed. Then, weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent any further corrosion. Then you're done!